Hi, I'm Gavin Fish, and I'm one of the creators of Geek. It occurred to us that the way that we listen to music is changing. When the world adopted the CD as the preferred way to play back music, we all collectively decided that convenience was more important than quality. And record labels, recording artists, and engineers have begun to release music in higher resolution than CD could have ever provided. Computers are great at storing high-resolution audio files, but they're not so good at playing it back. You really need a good DAC that is capable of converting high-resolution data files into actual music, and computers just don't have them. A little while ago, my company crowdfunded a project called Geek Out.
Well, a Sacramento startup is trying to make music come alive right in your own living room.
Well, if you listen to music or watch movies on your laptop, you already know the sound can sometimes leave a little to be desired.
Starter campaign, and you were looking for about, $28,000.
That's right.
You got that in 10 hours.
By the end of the campaign, they had raised more than $300,000.
Geek Out, that was started on a Kickstarter campaign, and boy, this little gadget's got some balls.
It was a hugely successful campaign that taught us so much about bringing this type of product to market. During the campaign, we were asked over and over again for a desktop-sized version of Geek Out, which would have more room for even more features. That's why we're coming out with Geek Pulse. It's a high-definition digital audio system that will really bring your music to life. It has 4 digital inputs, so you can connect almost anything to it. Your CD player, your Oppo, your Blu-ray. But where it really shines is its USB interface. With USB, Geek Pulse can play high-resolution audio up to 128 times the quality of a CD. It has 2 outputs, one to connect to your stereo or your powered speakers, and one for your headphones. Like its little brother, Geek Pulse solves a couple of problems.
First, if you have a nice set of headphones, you know that some of those super expensive guys need some real power to drive them. With Geek Pulse, you have a 3-watt headphone amplifier. That's enough to drive anything on the market that we know of.
Second, many USB DACs in this price range sacrifice quality by using low-end parts that inject noise into the system. Geek Pulse is designed and engineered by the same team that builds DaVinci Dual DAC, one of the very best digital components on the market today. And like DaVinci, Geek Pulse tests the limits of our measurement equipment to measure noise. That may seem like a small thing, but it goes a long way in making your music sound its best. One of the really cool things about Geek Pulse is something that made our last project so popular. It was one of the most talked about features of Geek Out. It's the 3D Awesomifier. With this technology, we're able to solve the dimensionality problems that listening to sound through headphones creates. It moves the sound from between your ears to all around you. So when you listen to music, it feels like the band is really playing in front of you. When we launched our last crowdfunding campaign for Geek Out, we were after the funds that we needed to tool up to make the device. Through that process, it became clear that the experience was very different than we ever could have expected. And the information we got from our backers helped us to make a better product. That's why we decided to crowdfund Geek Pulse. The Geek Pulse DAC is just one component in the line that we hope to continue building that will work together with your digital and analog gear, your iDevices, and Androids. In whatever way you decide to contribute, either by backing Geek Pulse, or by sharing our project, or by providing input to help us improve it, your contribution is key in helping us make products that we know you'll love. Thank you so much for your support.